So you are here with your daughter who is 21, right? And you were 21 when you became a billionaire. Is that right?
Almost, yeah.
All right, so around that age. You were like the youngest person to become a billionaire. Is that right?
Yeah, in terms of my own, earning it on my own, yeah.
Right, okay.
Bill Gates is an American programmer, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He is the founder and chairman of Microsoft, and he is the CEO of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, a non-profit charitable organization. Bill Gates has become a household name, and his name synonymous with wealth and riches. Ask anyone to mention a person with insane wealth and riches, and the first name that usually pops in people's mind is Bill Gates. With a staggering net worth of $135 billion US, Bill Gates is the third richest person in the world. In fact, he held the title for the world's richest person for more than 5 consecutive years since 2013, before he was knocked off his throne by Amazon founder Jeff Bezos in 2018, with many people making claims that Jeff Bezos was able to become the world's richest person just because Bill Gates has donated more than $50 billion US of his wealth to charity so far. Nevertheless, what we surely know here at Fortune is that Bill Gates is rich. Mega rich in fact. His personal net worth is more than that of 130 countries, and he is the largest real estate and landowner in the world. Also, don't forget that Bill Gates is the third most powerful and influential person in the world, and he is the second most desirable person in the world just behind Barack Obama. So how did Bill Gates become so filthy rich? And what are some of his investment portfolio? Well, be sure to stay to the end of this video as I break down Bill Gates' net worth and some of his income sources. And later in the video, I will give you a glimpse of his luxury lifestyle and how he spends his billions. But before we get into all that, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe if you are new here. With that out of the way, let's begin. Bill Gates has been a billionaire for over 3 decades. The rapid development of PCs have shaped our world more than any other development, and perhaps the person most responsible for that is Bill Gates. Gates created a technological empire in Microsoft, making him millions, which he quickly turned into billions. As of January 2021, Gates has a net worth of approximately $135.5 billion US. That number is already incredibly impressive before realizing how many of his Microsoft shares he has given away over the years. Microsoft may be his baby, but these days he only has a 1.3% stake in the company. In March 2020, Gates waived his wages and stock compensation when he ended his board service effective on March 13, 2021. The majority of his financial assets are held by Cascade Investment LLC, an entity controlled by Gates to manage his investments. The company's portfolio is well diversified. Cascade at one time held 9.8% of strategic hotels and resorts, which was later sold to Blackstone Group, then Ambank Insurance Group, and then Mirai Asset Management. Cascade has also purchased 4-season hotels in Mexico, Atlanta, and Houston. Gates also holds equity in Branded Entertainment Network, a brand integration and advertising company. He is the chairman of TerraPower, a nuclear reactor design company. Gates has also backed ResearchGate, a social networking site for researchers and scientists. Through Gates Ventures, he funds initiatives in clean energy, education, healthcare, and poverty alleviation. Bill Gates' investment portfolio is certainly significant, while Bill Gates also put his money to buying real estate, including a sprawling estate and a private island. Gates' Seattle area home, Xanadu 2.0, is an oceanside lodge, boasting over 66,000 square feet with approximately 500 feet of private waterfront on Lake Washington. The estate features top-of-the-line technology and gadgets befitting its 6 kitchens, 24 bathrooms, and 6 fireplaces. Nearly every amenity is computer-controlled, including automatic lights and music that follow you from room to room. In 2019, the property was assessed $1.4 million in taxes, implying an asset value of $130 million US. In 2013, Gates began amassing property in Wellington, Florida. He started by snapping up a 4-bedroom mansion and horse ranch for $8.7 million. In 2016, he bought the adjoining parcels, bringing 5 properties together for a total of $35.8 million US. He spent another $21 million on a horse farm in 2019, bringing his combined purchases to $59 million US for a 30-acre assemblage. Considering that his daughter Jennifer Gates is an award-winning equestrian. Gates is also rumored to own Grand Boc Cay, a 314-acre island off the coast of Belize in Central America. Grand Boc Cay is home to pristine beaches, abundant marine life, and excellent diving. It was reported that Gates purchased the island for upwards of $25 million. Bill Gates is a man who likes to move around. He appeared to own not one, but two Bombardier BD700 Global Express jets, along with a Cessna 208. Bombardier jets are ultra-long-range corporate sky horses, with a range of 6,700 nautical miles at 0.8 Mach, and likely cost $45 million apiece. In addition, through his membership in NetJets, Gates has owned a fractional share of at least one NetJets plane. Bill Gates also likes a fancy set of wheels and has been a long-time fan of Porsche automobiles. Gates bought a Porsche 911 in 1979 and later added a Porsche 930 Turbo and a rear Porsche 959. His most recent purchase is the fully electric Porsche Taycan, an acquisition that set off a Twitter spat with Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Gates is also said to own a Jaguar XJ6 and a Ferrari 438. He also owns a fleet of luxury cars consisting of 3 Rolls-Royce, 2 Bentleys and 3 Mercedes-Maybach. While it's certainly an achievement to own one-of-a-kind real estate and rare cars, it is another to own precious irreplaceable collectibles, and Bill Gates certainly has accumulated quite the collection. In 1994, he purchased a celebrated Leonardo da Vinci manuscript at an auction for a whopping $30.8 million. Known as the Codex Richest, this work documents many of da Vinci's scientific discoveries and observations. He also acquired Andrew White's Distant Thunder for $7 million in 1996. William Merrick Chase's The Nursery for $10 million in 1997. Frederick Charles Hassam's work, Room of Flowers for $20 million in 1998. Winslow Homer's Lost on the Grand Banks for $36 million in 1998. And George Bellow's Polo Crowd for $28 million in 1999. Funding-worthy causes are atop of Bill Gates' list of achievements. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is the largest charitable foundation in the US. The foundation held $49.9 billion in assets in 2019, and the total grant payment since the foundation's inception is $54.8 billion. Between 1994 and 2018, Bill and Melinda Gates has given more than $36 billion to the foundation. In 2019, Gates and his wife gave $519 million to the foundation, and he has also encouraged fellow billionaires to donate large sums to charitable causes through the Giving Pledge. For Bill Gates, savvy investing in a diversified portfolio of financial assets, real estate and collectibles help ensure that his wealth will continue to grow. But beyond that, his philanthropic mission to donate much of his wealth to causes to help better the world may be his most significant investment and certainly a lasting legacy. So this is a brief breakdown of Bill Gates' net worth and income sources. What about him do you like the most? His real estate portfolio, his personality, or his charitable work? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe if you are new here. Thanks for watching this one. Catch you in the next.